Asher!
All right. So what are we doing here?
Welcome to the annual Rolling Thunder Chanukah Parade.
Okay. All right. So what are we doing here today?
Happy Chanukah. Tonight we're spreading the light, spreading love, bringing the light to the world. Each one of us, we can spread the light. My name is Rabbi Frankel, Hollywood. I'm the Rav of the community of Kesher, TJC, the Jewish Connection. But everyone is our brothers and sisters, and we're happy to be here for you guys. Happy Chanukah.
Something for the camera.
Yeah.
Happy Hanukkah, everybody. Come join us the party. We're giving out toys, events, the party. We're going to light up the night. First night of many.
All right. So what are we doing here?
What are we doing? We're having the first light candle parade, rally, event. We have a lot of gifts for the kids, a lot of gifts, a lot of donations from the community, a lot of donations from people like Avi Dayan, like Shibolim from the Sufganiyot, like Pita Express that sponsored the t-shirts. We have other people that sponsored, like Rolling Thunder. We sponsored a lot of the shirts and gifts, including also Crazy Russian Dessert. We thank you, Asher, for being here. Everybody, all the crew of Rolling Thunder, Kesher TJC, Rabbi Frankel.
Jewish community standing on the shoulders of generations and thousands of years of other Jewish communities. That is because of their perseverance, their dedication, and their everlasting insurance that we will survive as a Jewish people.
כל כך הרבה, שבועיים וחצי, אנחנו יום יום מדברים ואומרים מה מארגנים ואיך מארגנים ומי הולך ומי תורם ואיך עושים ואיך זה, וכל הכבוד לכל הקהילה הזאת. מדהים, תחכו פה, תהיו סבלניים, הולכים לתת לכם מתנה מלהיבה מאבי דיין. תודה ויש עוד